Creative and Fun Learning, Wall Marble Run Challenge. On a sunny Friday morning in Miss Clara's classroom, the children were eagerly awaiting today's creative and fun learning session. With excitement, they watched as Miss Clara unveiled a new project, the Wall Marble Run Challenge. Miss Clara explained that each child would have the opportunity to design their own section of the wall, adding ramps, tubes, or obstacles to guide their marble along. The room buzzed with ideas as the children strategized and planned their creations. The first few children began to build, carefully assembling their sections according to their plans. With each click and connection, you could feel the anticipation growing in the room. One by one, the children tested their creations, sending their marbles down the wall. The room erupted in cheers and applause for each successful run. But when some marbles met unexpected challenges, the children huddled together to brainstorm solutions. Through collaboration and perseverance, they continued to refine their creations, working together to solve the problems that arose. As the day wore on, the wall became more intricate and fascinating. By the end of the day, each child had a masterpiece to be proud of. They marveled at the complexity and beauty of the wall, sharing ideas and cheering for one another's successes. On Monday morning, as the children returned to class, they discovered that the Wall Marble Run Challenge had become a symphony. Miss Clara introduced music into their playtime, and the children delighted in creating unique melodies for each marble's run. With each note and beat, the marbles seemed to dance, moving smoothly through the intricate web they had created together. The classroom was alive with music and laughter as the children danced along with their creations. But as the week went on, they began to notice that one section of the wall seemed to present an insurmountable challenge. The children worked tirelessly, collaborating and problem-solving to find a solution. Finally, on Friday morning, a child triumphantly overcame the challenge, sending their marble dancing through the difficult section. The room erupted in cheers and applause once more, and the children celebrated their success. As they gathered around their magnificent creation, Miss Clara spoke about the importance of collaboration, perseverance, and creativity. The children beamed with pride, knowing that they had worked together to create something truly special. Over the next few days, the Wall Marble Run Challenge became a cherished memory for the children. They looked back on their collaborative efforts and marveled at what they had accomplished together. Through playful making, music, movement, puzzles, and imaginative challenges, they had learned valuable life lessons that would stay with them forever.